kabiyahe ko. So before we start our tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video for today. Now let's start on how to do an automated top-up in our portal. Click lang po natin yung top-up button beside the balance amount. Then, you can input minimum amount of 20 pesos. Kayo na po ang bahala kung magkano yung amount na ita-top up nyo. Then, we can choose po it's either credit card or debit card. Then, we also have an e-wallet. For example, we have a GCash and GrabPay. You can choose GCash. On the left side po is makikita natin yung amount na tinop up natin and the service charge po. Then, naka-input na rin po yung total. Click lang po natin yung submit and madadirect po tayo sa ating login sa GCash. So, input lang natin yung ating number. Login in po sa ating GCash is madadirect na po tayo sa ating you are about to pay. So, click lang po natin yung pay, then click the proceed button. After clicking the proceed po in our GCash is madadirect na po tayo sa transaction was successful. Naka-input yung amount, transaction ID, and reference number. You can also check your account statement to see if the fund was successful. Click nyo lang kung kailan kayo nag-submit ng fund, and then mag-a-appear na po siya sa baba. And then, you can check your balance amount to see kung pumasok na yung fund sa portal nyo po. And that's all for this tutorial on how to top up using the GCash. Now, let's proceed on how to top up using our debit or credit card. Again, click the top up button beside the balance amount icon. We have a minimum amount of 20 pesos, so you can input any amount po kung magkano yung ita-top up nyo. On the left side, nandyan po yung payment and charge po. So, click lang natin yung credit or debit card and input the card number. Kung kailan yung expiry and yung year. And also, if you are using a foreign credit card, put a check mark po here and may additional po siya na 1%. For local naman po is, ang service charge natin is 2.08. Input din po natin yung name ng card holder and yung CVV. Upon filling this up po is, click na natin yung submit button. Mapupunta po tayo sa purchase authentication, then may marireceive tayong OTP. Dun po natin i-input, then click the confirm. Upon clicking the confirm is may redirect po ulit tayo sa ating biyahe ko portal. Then may mag-a-appear na transaction was successful. Again, nakalagay na po yung amount, transaction ID, and yung reference number. For double checking, you can check po your account statement. Click lang kung kailan yung date kayo nag-top up, and then dun nyo po makikita or mag-a-appear kung amount credited na po siya. And also, please note that the rates mentioned for service will be automatically deducted from the BK Agent's terminal. And that's how you do an automated top-up only here at Biyahe Ko.